We want to begin with the massive wall of water and the now deadly mudslide in Southern California, stranding thousands in just an instant. ABC's Brandy Hitt is in Forest Falls, California, with the very latest. Good morning, Brandy.
Good morning, Amy. Take a look at this wall of mud that has devoured this driveway and spread all the way up to the front door. The fast-moving waters and debris sweeping this area so quickly, not everyone had enough time to escape.
Overnight flash flooding sending a river of mud and debris through Southern California, swallowing cars, campers, and vans.
It's unbelievable.
Thunderstorms brought flash floods, as much as 4 inches falling in 1 hour, causing a wall of debris to cut off access to 2 mountain towns, leaving at least 2,000 stranded, including 500 adults and children at a summer camp program at the Forest Home Conference Center. One person was killed after swift-moving floods swept their car away. In Forest Falls, a wall of moving mud as high as 15 feet and up to 75 feet wide. Watch how quickly the flood appears. That's the sound of trees snapping, and seconds later, this torrent of water. At least 5 people rescued. In nearby Mount Baldy, this car trapped underwater. Rescuers breaking the windows, making sure no one's inside. This vehicle empty, a small shred of hope amongst so much devastation.
But this is the worst we've had since at least 1969.
That water is desperately needed elsewhere in the state. More than a dozen fires currently burning in northern and central California.
There is an active search and rescue operation underway right now to find anyone else who may have been swept away as crews spend the morning cleaning up this massive mess, Amy.
All right, Brandy, thanks for that.